Alright guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd, 2019. I am at home today again. On my way down to the flying field right now. It was raining all morning, so it's finally stopped. Though it looks a little iffy still. We're going to get down here and see if we can get a couple of flights in before the rain starts again. Alright guys, we have arrived here at the field. Get myself situated and parked here. Alright guys, we're just sitting here relaxing. Have not gotten the plane out of my trailer yet. Got my canopy up, got my easy chair out, and we just been sitting here enjoying the afternoon. Gorgeous day out. Gorgeous day, I guess, to be just sitting around. But Bailey and myself are just hanging out. Alright guys, we've just been working on this plane right here. This one's in a little bit of rough shape. This jet here has been crashed I don't know how many times. Last time I had it, I crashed it into a bunch of shrubs and stuff, and it ripped off this thing right here called the this is the ventral fin right here on the back. Gives the plane stability in the air. But it broke in two pieces, and I just got finished gluing it back on. These are foam planes, so they are repairable that way without having to do a lot of rebuilding. But as you can see, it's got a lot of dents in the leading edge of the wing and all kinds of stuff all over it. Bruises and scrapes, and it is a great flying jet though. I'm gonna oh, I need some glue too. I'm gonna get it back in the air here, make sure it still flies all right and there's nothing else wrong with it. And I may, I've been thinking about refinishing this one. You can put stuff in to fill in all this stuff and sand it down and repaint it. Got to get all these stickers and everything off. All the colors on here. All these colors are stickers. So I gotta get all that off, and actually use a like a balsa filler for balsa wood, and it's very lightweight. Put it in, fill in all these cracks and everything, sand it all down smooth, put a little bit of primer on it, and then paint it with something, and you have a pretty good, nice looking airplane again. That's if you get the time to do it, right? So I'm sitting here right now. I got the there's another jet down there on the ground, the F4. I just got done repairing the nose wheel on that. I've got fixing this one up, and I'm going to pull another jet out of the trailer here in a minute, and got to work on the nose wheel on that. That's a real weak point on a lot of these planes, is the nose wheel, and it probably has more to do with the pilot, how hard you land, than anything. So yeah, you get a rough landing, you can tear the nose wheel up. But yeah, we're enjoying ourselves still. It's gotten a little bit, the wind has died right off, and it's gotten a little bit humid out, but still, all in all, nice day off, so I'm going to enjoy myself. Yeah, somebody was getting hungry, so I had to feed her dinner. I always bring a little bag of dog food with me when I come out to the flying field, and plenty of water. It is getting late though. It's like it's getting close to 6 o'clock now. Haven't got a single flight in yet, but I've been working on this other jet over here, and I'm just about ready to make a test flight. Alright guys, we are getting ready to pack it up and go home. It's about 6:30 now. I got a lot fixed on 3 airplanes anyway. Got a whole bunch of stuff fixed on them. Only got 2 flights in on the that jet I showed you I was working on at first. But nobody here to film it, so I can't fly and film at the same time. It's pretty quiet down here, but I got a lot of work done. Stuff been wanting to get fixed for quite a while has got done, so that's good. Now we just gotta put our stuff away. I got the planes in the trailer already, and just gotta take down the canopy here and put a couple odds and ends away in the trailer, but we'll be heading home soon. All right. Easy up. It's not easy back in the bag though. Watch out, Bailey. Don't get underneath that. I don't hit your legs or anything. There. I think I'm getting it, guys. Wow. That really could use a little bit more slack in it for sure. Probably once it gets broke in a little, be better. There we go. Alright, so we finally got her back in the bag here. Easy up. Nice canopy. Bag's a little tight, but that's alright. Alright guys, we are getting ready to leave the flying field here. We got everything all packed up. We're ready to go. So we got half a day tomorrow off. And then it's back to work. I gotta leave out of the house by 5 p.m. tomorrow. So gonna be a short half a day. Yeah, I'm sweating, guys. Let's blow some AC on us. Oh yeah, let's get some of this AC going. Whew. Say hello, Bailey. Say hello. Is that cold on your paw? Yeah. Is that cold on your paw? Hey, Ken, cold on your paw? Yeah. Huh? You're definitely a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. Hung out with Daddy all day, now you're tired? Yeah. You always get tired when Daddy takes you out to the flying field. Oh yeah? This place here that we fly behind, they build medical coaches. Yeah, real nice people that own this company and run it. They let us use their field behind the facility here. They don't charge us anything. They like having us here, I believe. So that's why there's people around and stuff when on the weekends when they're closed, and works out good for everybody. Really nice spot too. This flying field here versus the other one that I go to, this one's a lot closer to my house. This is less than, this is like 20-25 minute ride to my house from here, to get here. But where the other field is like 40 minutes. I'm thinking about coming back down here tomorrow for half a day. This club has a meeting tomorrow, Wednesday, the first Wednesday of the month, so that'd be tomorrow, July, was it 3rd already? July 3rd? Yeah. And I can make that meeting. Now, my other club is the first Sunday of the month, which is going to be this coming Sunday, and I'll be working. So I'll be working Thursday to Monday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I'm going to miss the 4th of July, and I'm going to miss that weekend. So anyway. Yeah, so it's cooled off now a bit. We're down to about 77 now. It was in the low 80s before. But the humidity really came up a lot this afternoon. Yeah, it's gorgeous out. Gorgeous out this evening. Very, very nice. Alright guys, thanks for stopping into the Trucker John show today. I appreciate you guys being here. Leave me a comment. Give me that old thumbs up or thumbs down if you want. And if you like the content, go ahead and subscribe. So we'll be back to trucking here, probably on our next video. So I hope to see you guys back. Everybody take care now. Have a nice evening. Beautiful here.